Here's number 10 in our products countdown, the gold necklace extenders. These extenders are crafted with 14K gold plating on sterling silver, offering lengths of 1, 2, and 3 inches to ensure the perfect fit for your chain, necklace, bracelet, or pendant. They are not only incredibly easy to attach but also hypoallergenic, made from high-quality 925 sterling silver that is lead-free and nickel-free, making them ideal for daily wear. This set is the perfect gift for any special occasion: Christmas, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or birthdays. Whether for your girlfriend, wife, or mom, these extenders are sure to add versatility and elegance to their jewelry collection. Remember, the oxidation of sterling silver is natural. Regular cleaning and wearing of your silver jewelry will help maintain its shine and prevent tarnishing. The package includes 3 bracelet necklace extension chains and a silver polishing cloth to keep your jewelry looking pristine. Please note, the necklace is not included. With these gold necklace extenders, enhance the beauty and flexibility of your favorite jewelry pieces effortlessly. Now, for number 9 on our top 10 products countdown, Lobe Miracle Clear Earring Support Patches. These earring support patches are a game changer for anyone with droopy or stretched earlobes. With a width of 0.69 inches and made from durable plastic, they are designed to work with any size earring, whether you're showing off large hoops or long, dangly earrings. They keep your earrings comfortable and in place all day and night. Lobe Miracle patches sit behind the earlobe, directly behind the piercing. The earring slides through the patch, bearing most of the weight and relieving pressure on your ear skin. This helps prevent further rips or tears, making them an essential ear care product for those with torn or stretched earlobes. The patches are clear and undetectable, sticking to the back of your earlobe so you can confidently flaunt any earring style, even with an updo. They provide a no-clip solution to visibly fix lobe tears, allowing you to wear your favorite heavy earrings without worrying about slits, tears, or visible ripping. For best results, press the sticker on the back of your earlobe, slip the earring through your piercing in the patch, and it will hold the earring in place. To remove, gently pull the earring from your ear and unstick the patch. Discard and use a fresh patch for your next event. Each pack contains 60 patches, providing 30 pairs to keep your earlobe supported and your earrings looking fabulous. Say goodbye to visible stretching and hello to comfortable, beautiful earrings with Lobe Miracle. Now, for number 8 on our top 10 products countdown, Paxcoo 0.8mm Elastic String. This value pack of elastic string includes a roll of 120 meters, or 131 yards, of high-quality cord. It's perfect for a variety of projects, including bracelet making, jewelry crafting, beading, and necklace creation. The bead cord is approximately 0.8 millimeters in diameter, making it both stretchy and robust. It's designed to withstand tension and is hard to break, ensuring your jewelry pieces stay intact. Made from elastic plastic rubber, this crystal-clear string is not only strong but also visually appealing. It's especially ideal for use with seed beads, gemstone beads, glass beads, and other beads for jewelry making. The versatile Paxcoo elastic string is suitable for a wide range of applications, from bead weaving to creating intricate jewelry pieces. Whether you're a professional jewelry maker or a crafting enthusiast, this string provides the durability and flexibility you need for your projects. If you encounter any issues with the product, you can easily reach out for assistance by clicking the Seller Contact button in your Amazon account. The Paxcoo team is always ready to help and will respond as quickly as possible. Enhance your jewelry making experience with Paxcoo's reliable and versatile 0.8mm elastic string. Now, at number 7 in our top 10 products countdown, silicone earring backs. These earring backs are made from clear silicone rubber, providing a soft and comfortable fit. The pliable material ensures they are gentle on your ears, making them ideal for all-day wear. This pack includes an abundant supply of 1,200 clutch earring backings, giving you plenty of spares and replacements. You'll have enough to last a long time, so you won't have to worry about losing or tearing them. Each earring back is small and lightweight, with a diameter of 4 millimeters and a height of 3 millimeters. They're designed to be portable and easy to carry with you wherever you go. These earring backs are also incredibly easy to use. They slide onto the posts of your earrings effortlessly and stay securely in place, preventing your earrings from getting lost. The pack comes with a handy case, making storage and organization convenient. However, please note that these earring backings are small jewelry-making accessories, so be sure to keep them away from little kids. Keep your earrings secure and comfortable with the silicone earring backs. At number 6 in our top 10 products countdown, the Redtwo Ring Sizer, a versatile tool for measuring ring sizes with ease. This tool features a built-in magnified glass at the buckle, designed to make reading the scale easy and quick, especially for the elderly. Its thoughtful design ensures accurate and clear readings, ranging from sizes 1 to 17, so you can find the perfect fit for any finger. The Redtwo Ring Sizer is made with upgraded materials, providing just the right amount of flexibility without being too stiff. This durability ensures that the printing remains intact, making it a long-lasting tool for all your ring sizing needs. Using the ring sizer is simple. It works like a belt. Push the end through the buckle to form a ring shape, slip it onto your finger, and adjust for a comfortable fit. Then, read the size through the magnified glass. Make sure it slips over your finger joints without much difficulty to ensure an accurate fit. Compact in size at 4.5 by 0.3 by 0.2 inches, the Redtwo Ring Sizer is easy to store and carry. If you have any questions about the product, don't hesitate to contact the seller for assistance. With the Redtwo Ring Sizer, you can ensure a perfect fit for your rings every time, making your relationship with your loved ones even more intimate. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Now, at number 5 in our top 10 products countdown, the Giantlian 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This comprehensive kit is a must-have for jewelry making enthusiasts. It includes approximately 5,520 flat polymer clay beads in 24 vibrant colors and a 550-piece charms kit featuring random letter beads, smile beads, colorful heart beads, shells, pendants, jump rings, and lobster clasps. Additionally, you'll receive 2 rolls of 5-meter elastic strings, scissors, and everything else you need for crafting beautiful bracelets and jewelry. The bright colors of the polymer clay beads meet all your requirements for colorful DIY projects. With this kit, you can easily create charming bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Imagination is more important than skills when it comes to bracelet jewelry making, and this kit provides all the tools you need to let your creativity shine. Made from non-toxic polymer clay, these beads are durable, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. The clay Heishi beads measure 6 mm in diameter with a 2 mm hole and a thickness of 1 mm. They are also waterproof, so you can wear your creations at the beach or pool without worry. Perfect for a variety of DIY crafts, this kit is ideal for making bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, keychains, and other ornaments. It's a meaningful and cheerful gift choice for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and more. This trendy gift set is perfect for enhancing girls' craft skills and providing a fun way to share and express themselves. Verified by Transparency, Giantlian strictly controls the quality of their beads to ensure you receive defect-free products. They offer replacements or refunds for any unsatisfactory shopping experience, making this an excellent choice for bracelet-making craft enthusiasts of all ages. Now, for number 4 in our top 10 products countdown, the 5 Stars United Ring Sizers for loose rings. This pack includes 8 easy-clip ring size adjusters designed to fit ring widths from 1 to 10 mm, made from soft and flexible TPU. These ring spacers are perfect for both men's wide rings and women's narrow rings. They can reduce the size of your ring by 0.5 to 1 size with a patent-pending unique design. Ideal for those with fluctuating ring sizes, weight loss, or who have selected the wrong size, these ring tighteners are easy to use and provide a comfortable, temporary adjustment without damaging your ring. They are especially useful when your finger is much slimmer than your knuckle. To use, simply select the size of the clip ring fitter larger than your ring width, clasp it onto the inside of your ring, and try it on for a secure fit. The ring guard reduces the size by 0.5 to 1 size, ensuring your ring stays comfortable and virtually invisible. These silicone ring resizers keep your rings safe and secure, temporarily changing the size without the need for resizing or risking potential damage. They are ideal for wedding and engagement rings, ensuring a secure fit to prevent accidental slips. The skin-friendly ring sizers are made from soft plastic, perfect for sensitive skin. They stay securely in place without causing irritation, preventing your rings from spinning, falling off, or causing discomfort. With the 5 Stars United ring sizers, you can ensure a perfect and secure fit for all your favorite rings. Now, for number 3 in our top 10 products countdown, the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This perfect bracelet making kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with about 4,600 flat polymer clay beads and a 500-piece charms kit, featuring 285 letter beads, number beads, spacer beads, clay bead charms, lobster clasps, and more. You'll also get 1 roll of stretchy string, a pair of scissors, and 2 plastic tweezers. This expansive kit is filled with endless possibilities for your jewelry making projects. The premium quality clay high sheet beads have a diameter of 6 mm, a 2 mm hole, and a thickness of 1 mm, handmade with soft clay. These beads are safe, eco-friendly, waterproof, and skin-friendly. They can be worn every day without fading quickly, making them perfect for kids ages 6 and up. This kit is a great way to keep the girls busy. Parents can join in the fun, helping children design various DIY jewelry such as bracelets, necklaces, earrings, anklets, keychains, and more. It's a fantastic way for kids to learn new skills and spend hours creating fun, beautiful pieces instead of staring at a phone. Consider giving this fun bracelet making kit as a gift. It's a popular choice for kids or adults who love to express their imagination. This kit makes a meaningful and cheerful gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and other special occasions. You can also create unique bracelets and necklaces to give as friendship gifts to friends. Customer satisfaction is very important to Redtwo. If you find any problem with the beads, feel free to contact them. They promise to give you a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Unleash your creativity with the Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Now, for number 2 in our top 10 products countdown, the Paxcoo 1mm Elastic Bracelet String Cord. This value pack of elastic cord includes a roll of 100 meters, or 328 feet, of high-quality string, making it ideal for a wide range of projects, from bracelet making and jewelry crafting to beading and necklace creation. The flat elastic string is approximately 1 mm in width and 0.7 mm in thickness. Each roll provides plenty of length, and the string is easy to tie into knots that are both strong and small, ensuring your beads stay secure while allowing you to easily hide the knot. Made of elastic polyester spandex, this bracelet string has a crystal-like appearance, combining sturdiness with aesthetic appeal. It's perfect for various beading projects, making it a versatile addition to your craft supplies. The elastic cord is especially suitable for bracelet and necklace making, bead weaving, and other jewelry craft projects. It's ideal for use with seed beads, gemstone beads, glass beads, and other types of beads, offering flexibility and durability for all your jewelry making needs. Paxcoo stands by the quality of their product, offering a 48-day money-back guarantee and a 24-month warranty. If you have any questions or issues, their customer service is ready to assist you. Enhance your jewelry making experience with the reliable and versatile Paxcoo 1mm Elastic Bracelet String Cord. And now, for the number 1 product in our top 10 countdown, the Dowsabel Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit for Beginners. This comprehensive kit includes everything a beginner needs to start creating beautiful bracelets and jewelry. It comes with 4,500 flat polymer clay beads and a 500-piece charms kit featuring random letter beads, smile face beads, golden spacer beads, golden shells, golden starfishes, silver pendants, lobster clasps, and more. Additionally, the kit includes a roll of 10 meters of stretchy string, scissors, and tweezers. Begin your wonderful journey into jewelry making with the Dowsabel kit. Designed with beginners in mind, the kit includes detailed instructions and videos to guide you step by step in making bracelets, jewelry, and earrings. It also introduces the usage of various charm accessories, ensuring a relaxed and enjoyable experience, whether you are a novice or experienced crafter. The materials used in this kit are kid-friendly and environmentally safe. The beads are light, durable, comfortable to the touch, and resistant to fading. They are also waterproof, so you can wear your creations while bathing or swimming. This makes it suitable and safe for kids aged 4 and up. With thousands of clay beads in 20 vibrant colors and a variety of charm accessories, the possibilities for creative expression are endless. Let your imagination soar and create unique pieces that reflect your style. This kit makes a perfect gift for kids, helping to unleash their creativity and imagination. It's ideal for holiday playtime and helps improve hand-eye coordination, manual dexterity, and concentration. It's a meaningful and cheerful gift choice for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and more. Dowsabel ensures a risk-free purchase with professional quality control. If you have any dissatisfaction or questions, their customer service team promises to provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Unleash endless creativity and fun with the Dowsabel Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.